If LDPlayer says it's unable to detect your GPU, yeah, that can cause lag, crashes, or the emulator not starting at all. The good news is there are a few simple fixes that usually solve it. First, restart your computer. Temporary system glitches can sometimes stop LDPlayer from recognizing your graphics card. Next, update your graphics drivers. Outdated or missing drivers are one of the main reasons LDPlayer cannot detect your GPU. If you're using a laptop, make sure LDPlayer is set to use your dedicated GPU. Yeah, sometimes it runs on integrated graphics instead, which causes detection issues. Now, open LDPlayer settings and switch the graphics rendering mode between OpenGL and DirectX. So one mode may work better depending on your system. Also, make sure virtualization is enabled in your BIOS. While it's mainly for CPU performance, it can also affect how LDPlayer interacts with your hardware. Then try running LDPlayer as administrator. This can help it properly access system hardware like your GPU. If nothing works, uninstall LDPlayer and install the latest version again. Yeah, this can fix deeper detection or configuration issues, and that's it. One of these fixes should help LDPlayer detect your GPU and run smoothly again.